Guys, are you looking for a way to buy cryptocurrency and still earn on it? You're still going to earn 0.5% on all your earnings. Just use your referral code, send it to your friend. Everybody use Bitcoin nowadays. So I'm going to be teaching you how you can do that. Just watch. So this is the registration process. You are going to put your name. I'm blocking it because of understand now. So so you put your name, your email address, your password. Then you'll be sent a verification code to your mail. You pick that verification code. You are going to come back to your app. It's called Flitaa. So you go to the link, just go to the description section or go to the comment section to pick the link. You are going to be giving some bonus for using my link. So you understand. So all this one I'm blocking it. You understand the process. So you put your verification code, it will be sent to your mail. So when you pick it, bam, you register. Then once you register, you get in. So make sure you use the link I drop. There's a link I will drop in the description section or the comment section. Just pick it. Then put your pin, that 4 pin here that you use to collect money. Pick it and put it. Guys, I'm tired. But anyways, let's go. So you have been registered. So this is where you can buy your cryptocurrency, Ethereum. So you have to verify your phone number. The link there is a code they will send to you. So you pick the code. There's a lot of verification, like 4 or 5 steps, but everything we have been doing it. So then you have to upgrade. So in order to buy, in order to send. So but I like it because of USDT. It's very user friendly, very good for Nigerians. Let me say basically for Africa. Now Africa has been getting some recommendations, especially Nigerians. So if you want to receive, you have to go to receive. Then you can now credit your cryptocurrency from maybe Binance or from your friend or anybody. Just copy it. So you are going to get 0.5% on all your transaction. So if you want to invite your friend and you want your friend to be using and you want to be getting commission as well, so you go to invite friend and you copy that code, send it to your friend or send it to anyone whenever you use it. Can you believe this? I actually know someone that made $1 million using this. He's not a crypto guy, but he knows people that are doing crypto, and he actually earned $1 million doing this. So if you want to buy, you have to do some verification. So these are coming soon. You can save. You see, these are coming soon. Just wait for that. So you have to run. Just run to that description section. You can even convert your cryptocurrencies, guys. You can even convert your. So don't sleep on this. Just go and pick that verification. Go and pick that link and register. Start using this today instead of using Binance. This one is user friendly. Very, very, very good. So you put how many stuff you want to buy, then you click enter. But I have to verify my bank. So you put your bank number. And you search for your bank. These are the banks that are available. Then you put your bank. So once you put your bank, everything's done. Then the next thing is you have to put your NIN or any government issued. So when you put your NIN, then you are good to go. You can do anything you want to do. You can start buying, you can start selling. But the most important thing is tell a friend. Pick that link that is for your friend. So make sure you use my link. And also subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon, or you follow me if you are watching on TikTok. But I will be sure my TikTok friend will be there. So make sure you use the link. Thank you so much.